Cook your lamb to medium rare. The best way to try it is give it a poke. It's all about how it feels. So it's based on the inside of your thumb. So that's rare, medium, medium well done. So we're always looking somewhere between rare and medium. You'll be able to feel it in there. So these are flatbreads we rolled out earlier. So we're just going to stick those straight onto the barbecue. Once they go on, they won't stick because they're nicely floured. And all we're waiting for is for them just to start to puff up. Once they puff up on one side, just flip them over. Literally take a minute either side and we'll be done. So the nice thing about butterflying a leg of lamb is you end up with a nice chunky bit and a slightly thinner bit down by the ankle. So the top bit, like this bit here, perfect for me, nice and rare, just cook through. And then on the other side, obviously with the thinner butterfly, you have the slightly more well done stuff. It's more closer to medium, so you can please the whole family. Obviously if you want it any different, it's just a bit of cooking time. Take it a bit further if you like, but I like it nice and rare. So that's our lamb gyros done there. Lovely, full flavoured, lots of spices in there. Tzatziki, really strong garlic flavour. Let's go with that. Got a lovely Finca Moncloa. It's a fantastic red wine imported by Gonzalez Byass, who are a Spanish wine importer. They do sherry as well. It's a really strong, spicy, fruity, hint of balsamic wine that goes really, really well with the strong meat like lamb. Salute, and we'll see you on the other side.